Oh, hello everyone. Uh, in today's video, I am starting a series where I will be reading a book. Uh, this book is called Personal MBA. Personal MBA. Oh, yeah. Także, I don't know how much you will enjoy this format, but I consider this step to be productive, so we'll see what come of it. Have a great day, everyone, and try to find at least some benefit in what I am recording. Also, please try to look past my terrible English in general and my equally terrible pronunciation. It's all today, and everything is going as it should for me because my universe take care of me. See you tomorrow, and listen first first page. Oh, and format recording will be one page per video. So, a note or to reader: clean language engenders clean thought, and clean thought is the most important benefit of education. Many people assume that they need to attend business school to learn how to build a successful business or advance in their career. That's simply not true. The vast majority of modern business practice require little more than common sense, simple arithmetics, and knowledge of few very important ideas and principles. The personal MBA is an introductory business primer. Its purpose is to give you a clear, comprehensive overview of most important business concept in as little time as possible. Each idea in this book is present in plain language. Connection between these ideas are huge, huge, huge there. Highlight, highlighted, highlighted for easy reference. Once you know the essential, you are free to focus on building your career secure in knowledge that you considering the most important matters first. Most MBA alternative books try to replicate the curricula of top-tier business school program that not focus of personal MBA. My I am my aim is to help you build a solid understanding of general business practice from scratch, regardless of your current level of education or business experience.